Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Exclusive and modern 5-bedroom house for sale, including a helper's quarters in the affluent Duncans Bay, Silver Sands, Trelawny. Duncans Bay is a villa residential neighborhood located a few minutes from Falmouth town and approximately 40 minutes from Montego Bay City. This home is additionally equipped with a formal dining room, sitting room with French doors looking out into the backyard, and entertainment room with bar, spare room with a pool table that can be used as an office, etc. A kitchen, a large and welcoming front porch, all complementary to ensure home is a relaxing and tranquil getaway. Enjoy the exclusive Duncans Bay Beach on your own time while living amongst professionals, locals, and returning residents. The property is heavily fruited with mango trees, ackee, naseberry, Otaheite apple, and soursop trees on 13,540 square feet. Imagine yourself living a few steps away from the beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.